another banger. Let me get some motherfucking noise. But no, guys, we're back with a banger. We're gonna be going to a Carmi DA. The time is currently like 2:30. My friend, she's gonna be coming with us today. Meeting us there. Well, not meeting us there, meeting us here so we could leave together. So I kind of need to start getting ready because she's on her way. Look like it back. So guys, I forgot my tripod in my friend's car when we went to New York. I was gonna do a Puerto Rican vlog for y'all, a Puerto Rican parade vlog for y'all, but when we got there, it was over. So yeah, that's why I didn't get that. But I forgot my tripod in here, so we're gonna try and make it work today without it. But I've been throwing up all morning, like
ain't nobody trying to hear that bullshit.
all morning. I haven't been feeling good. So yeah, that is that. I want to do my hair. I still have to kind of clean out my car, you know. So do that as well. But yeah, that's really it as of right now. It's already at 5 o'clock. It starts at 5. The place is 2 hours away.
Grandma not mad. Grandma just hurt. I'm hurt. I am hurt. I am hurt. I am hurting.
But it's over at 11, so I'm not even like too mad at it. But we're gonna still get there at a good time. I just don't want to miss them swinging. That's like my favorite part. That's my favorite part. Alright, so let me look at the edges. We're about to go get some soda. I need a ginger ale. My stomach is killing me. I need like something to settle it for sure. Cause the way I'm feeling, it ain't too good. So I'm gonna call y'all back when we get to like the store or something. Bye. So I forgot my car looked like this, so we're about to clean this up 0.5 and hurry up and get a ginger ale because she's 10 minutes away. So alright, so we just got the ginger ale and a lighter. Did I need the lighter? I didn't, but it's just so cute. I love Playboy Bunny stuff. Don't mind my hair, I just took my bun out. It's so cute. It's Marilyn Monroe. It's a Playboy Bunny. Right. So now we're about to go back to the Kripski. She should be there. If not, she should be pulling up as I'm pulling up. And then we're gonna head there. So I'm gonna call y'all back when she get in the car so y'all can say hey to my girl Camzy.
I know it ain't the stallion. You know it's your girl.
Okay, but I'm gonna call you back when she get in the car and we're actually on our way there. Okay, guys. So, toodles, y'all. So, unfortunately, the address I gave her didn't underline my town, so they brought her to my address, but in a whole different town, and she's like super far. Like she's like a whole hour away from me. So, with that being said, we're just gonna drive to PA, and since PA is 2 hours away from her and from me, we're gonna meet halfway in PA and then finish the drive together into PA, if that makes sense. So we're about to head to PA and I'm gonna call you back when I'm halfway there. Bye. Alright, y'all, so we just got some gas because I needed some gas. My baby needed some water. I'm thinking about getting some food because I'm not gonna lie, look at this. This food actually look alright. Just a little bit, just alright, like, you know, something just to eat. Because I haven't eaten all day because, like I said, I've been not feeling good. The only thing I've literally had today is my Canada Dry and Mad Water. But this did the job, yo. Like, this made me feel so much, like, completely. But she just texted me. She said, I'm flying now. So she should be here soon. It says an hour away. By the time we get there, it should probably be, like, maybe, like, 7. Like, probably going on 8. But that's not bad because it doesn't end till 11. I'm praying that they swing last. Like, I'm praying they did not swing yet. I'm about to go watch their story and stalk them and see what the fuck they're doing, because don't swing till I get there, please. Please. I beg of you. Please don't swing till I get there.
All I ask is when you lay your head on that pillow at night, you know I gave you everything I had.
You did.
I gave you everything I had.
And if you don't know what swinging is, this is swinging. Swinging. So, like, just wait. Like, that's the best part for me, honestly, because I just love cars, and it's like, yeah, swing that hoe. Let me see what you can do.
Tweaking this bitch, bruh. I'm about to start tweaking in this bitch, bruh.
I really might get some food while I wait. I'm trying to debate if I really want to, because I know they're probably gonna have food there, but I don't know what their food is like there. And like I said, I haven't eaten all day, so I don't know. I don't know. But y'all, we are in PA. We are in PA. But like I said, the place is still a whole fucking hour away. Like, who told them to have this shit so damn far, honestly? But I just want to let y'all know what's going on. That's really it. Or if I get some food, actually. If I get some food, I'm gonna call y'all back so y'all can see what I ate. Because I'm hungry. Like, now I'm hungry. Now I want food. Before I wasn't hungry. My stomach was hurting too bad. But now, looking at this food, I wonder if they have a Wingstop over here.
You hungry as shit. You hungry as shit.
Some wings with bus right now. Decisions. So guys, I decided to get some Wingstop. It was 6 minutes away from the gas station we were waiting at. And I cannot wait. I got a 10-piece lemon pepper wings, all flats with some ranch. And we're gonna try the Cajun fried corn because I ain't tried it. So we're gonna try it together. Literally just wait. We're literally just waiting.
3 hours later.
Like, when I get it, and then I'm gonna eat it with y'all. But she is still on her way. I'm about to check her location right now to see how far she is from me. But I'm praying by the time I get done eating, she's here so we could just shoot there. Because I watched their story and they're definitely they're spending. It just started too, like 30-45 minutes ago. So I'm praying that they're just gonna spend till 11, honestly. So we're gonna see, but I'm gonna call you back once I get the food. So toodles. She just texted me. She just got to her parking, which is in a park. I want to eat real fast while I get here though, because I'm starving, y'all. Like, super. Oh my god, yes. Let me show y'all what it's giving. It's so good. Yes, flats only. Flats only. Yeah. I'm gonna try these corn. So we're gonna try corn. Okay. It's hot. Very good. It's really hot. That's really good. This tastes really good. Okay. Now that we tried that. Now what we really here for? Y'all like blue cheese or ranch? Cause me, I like both. Give me both of them. I need them both. Okay. Very hot. Very fresh. Very good. I'm gonna call you back when I'm done, so I can fuck my food up in peace, cause like I'm making a mess. And they ain't give me no napkins. I'm glad I had napkins on me. But I'm gonna call you back when I'm done, cause I'm trying to fuck this food up. Yeah, I don't gotta watch me for that, so I'm gonna call you back when we're about to go to her. So I just got done eating. We're about to head to her now to go pick her up. The food was good so far. I ain't eat all of it. I literally only ate 4 wings and a piece of the corn. That's all I really needed. I just wanted to get something in my stomach because sorry about the crumbs. But that's really it. So I'm about to go get her now, y'all. I'm gonna call you back when we get there, because then we're heading straight to the freaking car meet. About time. I'm just glad it's still daylight, so I'll call y'all when I get her. Hey guys, we got her. So now we're on our way. I'm gonna call you guys back when we actually get there. We have like 45 minutes, so we're gonna try and get there. So I'm gonna call y'all back. We're here.
outside.
You made me blush.
I thought I'd lost you, boy.
little motherfucker.
I'm trying to be cool, but goddamn.
You think it's a game, but I'm telling you it's not.
It ain't no motherfucking
Do
game.
I make myself clear, Pride?
You know you done fucked up, right?
We ain't.
Bitch, I see what you did there. I know.
I crashed in my back seat for a couple of hours, and
Another one, thank you. Another one, thank you.
Bitch, nothing but you still ate that little one thing, ate that one thing.
freaking mosquitoes out here are freaking vicious. Like when I tell you, I know I'm bit the fuck up. It's like,
bro, them niggas
the way we was
pull
fighting.
your fucking socks down and lift up your fucking pants.
Okay.
Fighting for my life. Y'all killing me with this. I can't help 30 years of my family.
Robert.
But y'all, it was such a vibe. I'm not gonna lie. Like, they showed out. They definitely did their big one. How was your experience for this being your first car meet?
Girl, that shit was crazy. Now that orange whip, that nigga, he did his big one.
He was doing his big one.
He came back like 3 good times.
Okay.
He was on his victory lap.
Okay, and showed
until
out
he
every
popped
time.
that tire.
Right. Oh, look
Poor
at this
thing.
nigga.